Hey you guys, happy Tuesday. I am here in my home office today and I wanted to pop in to show you the super simple trick to avoid boosting a post so that you can apply more advanced targeting techniques and other ad techniques to your boosted posts. So follow along. If you've ever wanted to boost a post but you wanted a little bit more advanced targeting or details than what the boost post screen gives you, this video is for you. So you're just going to head to your ads manager from your main Facebook page or whatever page you are on Facebook. You're going to let that ads manager come up. You're going to click on your ad account and make sure that you are in your ads manager. And then we're just going to go through the process of creating an ad. So we'll just create a campaign. I'm going to start over. Because boosting post uses the consideration or ad objective of engagement, that's what I'm going to choose for this video. You could choose others. Not all of them are going to give you the option to use an organic post from your page, but a lot of them will. So I'm going to choose engagement, and I'm going to make sure that I name my ad, and I'm going to pick post engagement. And at every step, this is just like a little extra tip, make sure you're naming things so that when you come back later, you'll know exactly what everything is. So this is the ad set section now of creating an ad. And this section is where you'll get to add audiences, like a custom audience, and you'll be able to exclude an audience in here too, which you can't necessarily do in just the regular boosting post. So you'll do all your targeting in here. You can edit your placements. If you prefer not to run something on Instagram, for example, you'd uncheck it. Or you can just go with automatic placements. You can choose your daily budget and schedule and your optimization for ad delivery. We'll press continue, and this is going to be the place where you'll be able to choose your ad creative as being just a regular post on your page. So it's going to be right here, right under creative. We're just going to click on select a post and you'll get to choose whatever post you want. So I am going to scroll down and find something that I think would make a good ad. Probably not a lot of these because I didn't have the intent of running ads with any of these posts, but something that wouldn't make a good post, for example, would be something like this. Even though it's a cute image, Facebook won't run it because of the amount of text on the photos. So we want to make sure we're choosing something that Facebook will actually run as an ad, less text. So this picture of my slippers, you won't be able to change anything about the actual creative in this case. You won't be able to change the text or the photo or any of the other buttons below it. But I can add a learn more button if I wanted to, or I could do send message or shop now and update the post that way. But I can't change anything else because this was already a post on my feed. So it's as simple as that. If you want to boost a post and be able to use more of this advanced targeting and placements and budget and schedule, just choose that engagement objective and you're basically boosting a post, but giving yourself more control over what's actually going on. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out at any time and I'm happy to answer them.